why are you taking me to the border? Hello? I'm asking you a question. Why are you taking me to the border? I can still see you. Okay, let's zoom in. Maria, say hello. Aw, she's getting camera shy.
Put your glasses on.
Come on, Maria. Oh, you're not being very fun right now. I can just see you smiling. Okay, let's zoom out so we can see a better smile. Yes, let's see your Chanel. Oh, your channel. Oh, why are they taking me to the border? Okay, Ruben, why are they taking me? Ruben, why are they taking me? Why are you guys taking me to the border?
Are you okay? I don't think you had too much sugar today.
Nobody wants to talk to me. No, I didn't bring my passport. I don't have one. Nobody wants to talk to me today, so I don't know what's up. Let's see. What was that? What'd you say?